Yeah, hello YouTube. I probably will be just be talking in this video, talking and talking and talking. If you're going to be expecting a short video, a silly video, a funny video, well, you will probably be disappointed. So it's better if you just go away, watch something else. Because if you complain that this is not funny, this is too long, this is not silly, well, I'm going to, massacre you in the comments. That's what I'm going to do. Because I'm going to talk, and that's what I will do, and I don't care. Because this is my channel, and I'll cry if I want to. Yes, one issue that I wanted to address is that people have been asking me to do stuff here on my channel. They order me to do stuff. They tell me, you should do the smile, you should do this, you should do that, you shouldn't do that, you should do this, you should do that, no? No, you shouldn't do the accent, you should not speak Tagalog, you shouldn't speak English. Well, if you're just going to order me around, you just better go away. No? Go away. Bye-bye. And good riddance and good luck to whatever you're going to do in your life. Because here on this channel, right here, I'm going to do what I want. Okay? YouTube, that's an agreement between the two of us. And if you're here, still here, watching this video, that means you agree with me. I won't be plugging anything in this video. I won't talk about my comics. I won't talk about my shirts. I won't talk about the other stuff that I usually plug. Wait, I'm just going to fart. There. So, what have I been doing? Well, I've just been working. Just working, and if you can see, I'm pretty much harassed because I've been staying up really late, staying up really early. Because lately, I've been sleeping at around 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock in the morning. And, uh, and believe it or not, I don't feel sleepy during those times. I usually feel sleepy in the morning. When I wake up at 9 o'clock, I'm still sleepy. And sometimes I sleep in the afternoon also. But when you put all those hours together, they add up to around 8 hours of sleep. No, I really have to find my sleep now because I'm getting older. And old people need their sleep. Well, I do. No, it's a policy that older people need sleep less and less. It's a policy because I'm living proof that older people do need their sleep, and I will practically insist on my 8 hours a day, nothing less. I also find it funny that people can make assumptions about me, about me as a person by just seeing one video, particularly the smile video. They make all kinds of assumptions. No? They assume I'm Mexican. They assume I'm Chinese. They assume I'm jobless. No? And it seems that every other question that I receive on that video is asking uh, if I'm Filipino, if I'm Mexican, or whatever. And when all that information about me, you can know a lot about me, who I am, where I'm from, no, what I do, if I have a job, if I'm married, if I have pets, no, stuff like that. You can find all of that, no, when you simply click on my profile page here on YouTube and see all the other links in there pointing to my official site outside of YouTube. No? It's so simple. You just click there to my profile page and you will get your answers. No? People want to be spoon-fed their information now. Spoon-fed. Well, I don't want to spoon-feed anymore. No? If you ask me a question that I think can be answered easily elsewhere, I won't answer it. But I most generally answer questions on my videos if you ask me a question in the comment section. People have been saying that I don't respond to comments. Well, I respond if you ask me a question. And people don't really ask me a question. really, just to make a comment, you know. Sometimes there are comments that I really can't give an answer to, like when they say they like my video. I could say thank you, but I would be saying thank you endlessly because lots of people seem to like my video. So uh, let me just say that I read all those comments and I appreciate all of them. And if you say something nice, thank you. But if you don't say something nice, I pretty much ignore you. I'm an ignorer, YouTube. And if you ask me a question, I will answer. No? So if you want me to respond to your question, no, just ask me a question. But if your question can be easily answered by a visit to my profile page, why would I answer? I don't want to spoon feed you my information. Okay? You exert a little hard work, exert a little finger power in your life, and find things out for yourself. Don't be lazy. No, lots of internet people nowadays are lazy. Can't even spell right. Can't even construct a sentence right. What's wrong with you people? Okay, YouTube. I think I've spoken a lot today, and I'm not sure if I will make even more videos. I will make more videos, but not as often as before. As I said, I probably make more videos like this, just talking, because uh, sometimes it's hard to come up with ideas, no? Funny videos. Sometimes they come all at once. So I make one video, one after the other, but sometimes ideas just don't come, no? Not really inspired sometimes. Especially when I'm too busy with work. I don't get a chance, to think about stuff that I could do. I don't make money from my videos. I'm not a partner here on YouTube. And people have been once again people have been pestering me to become a partner here on YouTube, but I can't, no, because the YouTube partnership doesn't extend here to the Philippines. We have no partnership program here in the Philippines. Why is that, YouTube? Why is that? No, people are watching my videos, and my videos are getting almost 3 million views, no, that particular video. And you're getting lots of eyes on your site, no, and you're probably making some money from your advertising, and none of that goes to me. None of that goes to me, YouTube. Anyway, I don't care. It's not about money for me. It's not about stuff like that. I just want to have fun, no. People have to realize that fun is very important in life. Have a little fun, and this is how I have fun. I make videos on YouTube. Wait, I think I'm gonna fart again. No, I don't. I don't. Okay. So, YouTube, until probably next time, I'll see you again. Maybe. Hopefully. Probably not. Maybe. Tomorrow. Bye-bye.